Are you a bit annoyed by your iPhone automatically picking up calls before you have the chance to answer them yourself? This video is going to show you a simple way to disable this feature completely. So just follow my steps. But before we start, if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing to the channel because it would really help me out. The first step in this process is to open the settings on our iPhone, then hop over to accessibility right here. Our job from here is to scroll a bit down and locate the physical and motor section. And then we'll tap on this touch option right here. That's going to open this section in the iPhone settings where we can customize a bunch of things, but we will go all the way to the bottom of this page until you see the call audio routing feature. And this is what you want to open. And at last, here is our auto answer calls option inside of the iPhone settings. If you want to disable the feature completely because you don't want the iPhone to answer your calls automatically, then disable this switch right here. But another thing which you can do is to increase the duration of time the iPhone waits until it answers. Maybe this is set to 3 or 4 seconds for you, so you can increase this to up to 60 seconds, and then the phone will wait a lot longer until it answers instead of you. Thanks a lot for watching this video, everyone, and I'll see you in the next one.